Some birds are known for their voice, like parrots. They can talk, they can mimic, and they demand attention. But here's the truth. Being the loudest voice in the room doesn't mean you're going anywhere. Then there's the eagle. The eagle doesn't talk. The eagle acts. It soars higher than most birds, carried by the same winds that keep others grounded. When the storms come, most birds seek cover and hide. The eagle, it doesn't hide. It uses the very force of the wind, the resistance, to rise above the clouds. So while others talk about you, they gossip about you, or doubt your journey, don't waste your energy talking back. Don't be angry. Remain calm. Work in silence. Invest in yourself. Grow your mind. Strengthen your character. Sharpen your vision. Because one day, the same people who spoke negatively about you will realize you were never meant to stay at their level. So be the eagle, not the parrot. Let your wings speak louder than your words. Isaiah chapter 14 verse 31, it says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles."